the impact of team-based esports engagement in the enhancement of 21st century skills. So, by the way, yeah. So first, once again, I am Ralph Donovan. With me, Ma'am Modo. We have Ma'am Rivero, and lastly, we have Ma'am Canurias. And we are from USEP, and we are taking Bachelor of Physical Education, not secondary education, physical education, and where we learn, where we study culture, we study dance, arts, international and traditional dances, and human genetics, and of course, sports, where we will be delving into it more. So, yeah. So, sorry. So, technology advancements have given the rise to new digital platforms that impact education, the communication, the entertainment, of course. It's the main source of entertainment nowadays. And one of which is the electronic sports or esports. And it is a fast-growing industry of competitive literacy. Anyone here who plays online games, like mobile games, yeah, those are actually esports. We call it electronic sports, and those games are actually can be played in an international arena, like Olympics, and many more. And as esports becomes more integrated into everyday life, it also emerges as a platform where players develop essential 21st century skills, such as, like what I told earlier, collaboration, communication, adaptability, and how we connect to other people, and leadership, of course, and with digital literacy. Because when you play an online game, we get to communicate and we get to connect with other people, not just in our own country or in your own area, but also those people who is in that platform, like who is playing that game. So this rapid growth of esports is particularly evident in Asian countries like the Philippines, Pakistan, and Malaysia, where the gaming industry continues to thrive even up to these days. And in the Philippines, as a matter of fact, esports participation has been driven by the widespread use of mobile devices, with approximately 74 million smartphone users. So that's actually quite high. And that was recorded in 2019. And this study explores how team-based as esports participation contributes to the enhancement of these key competencies, which are crucial for success in today's digital and rapidly evolving workforce. So for the research gap, limited educational focus. While esports is gaining popularity internationally, globally, most studies emphasize entertainment value. They are solely focusing on the entertainment side of the game, and rather than its educational potential. So they are not solely they cannot see, or they're not focusing on the positive side of the game, which is we can also use the game as a platform, as an educational platform. So narrow skill exploration. Existing research predominantly focuses on collaboration and communication skills, like what I mentioned earlier, with less attention to other 21st century competencies like creativity, innovation, information literacy, and of course, a sense of citizenship. And lastly, a lack of contextual studies. There is a scarcity of research examining how team-based esports or electronic sports participation influences the development of 21st century skills among Filipino youth. So at this juncture, let's have Ma'am Modo to continue and delve deeper to our presentation.
Okay, good morning once again. Okay, for this study, this study is significant for several groups. First, we have students. It provides insights into how gaming, something they already enjoy, can contribute to their personal and their professional growth. Next, we have parents. It helps them understand the potential benefits of esports beyond just entertainment. And for researchers and for future researchers, this study serves a foundation